You can actually make a difference as a man. If your home is not working, your kingdom is failing. The kingdom you are leading and ruling as a king, as a man, is your family. So you need to prove to everybody around you and prove to God that you are a true king. It's going to take you effort. It's going to take you wisdom. It's going to take you knowledge. So if you have to read books on how to be a good father, a good husband, a good dad, go ahead and do that. Men don't have time for family matters because they believe money is everything. And that's why so many of them are failing in their homes. Men don't have time for stuff. They don't have time for family. It's only women that are reading books. But of course, how are you going to lead if you don't have the wisdom of a king or the wisdom of the wise? You're going to read. If it requires that you have to read books, read. If it calls for prayer, pray. If it calls for fellowship, if it calls for, oh my goodness, the mission is to make sure that you lead your family to the promised land. Every family has a promised land they are going to. Their destiny is a promised land. God's call upon their lives, your wife and your children, is their promised land. And you are the one who is leading them. You are their Moses, you are their Joshua, you are the one. You are the one. That's why God has placed you. You are not there to just tell everybody that you are the head of the home. Who doesn't know that you are the head? Yes, you are the head. So what is the head doing? What is the head? But what are we benefiting from the very fact that you are the head of the home? The beating and the shouting and the neglecting and the commanding and all that. Because that's what some men believe they are in the house, on the home to do. Mind you, whatever you do now is like a seed. A time will come when your strength will fail you as a man and you begin to eat the fruit of your labor. For those of you who are difficult men, who have scattered your homes, who have kicked your wife out, scattered your children, you don't even know where they are. You're not taking care of anybody. You don't care. You don't. I mean, if you are the problem, I don't mean, of course, sometimes it could be the woman, but if you are truly the one who is difficult, that woman is begging you, trying to do everything, or you are busy moving around, like carrying a lot of women, and in fact, behaving like you have forgotten what you started or how you entered the marriage from the first. Just know that your judgment will begin from this place. Your judgment, automatic judgment. That judgment is called whatever a man sow shall he reap. That is what life will begin with, paying you. So you better get back on track. You better build your home as a king that you are. You better understand your place because God is going to ask you what you did to the home or how you nurtured your children, how you built your wife. You are supposed to be building your woman. Build your woman to be a beautiful queen. Build your woman to believe in God more. Build your woman to bet purpose, bet destiny. Become better. Build your woman to be happy. You can have little, but you are building her. You are fighting. She sees how you are fighting to make sure that she's stable, to make sure that she becomes the best of herself. She can't see all that and want to go anywhere. Love her so much that she wouldn't want to look at anybody else. But sometimes a woman will be complaining and you don't want to listen because you feel that you are the head of the home, you are a king. Yes, we know that you are a king, but how is your kingdom? How are you ruling? Nobody changes the fact that you are the man. But how are you taking care of your home? It matters so much. It matters so much. I really want you to wake up to realize who you are, men. You are a king. I approve of that you are a king. I accept that. And I believe a lot of women out there equally don't have issues over the very fact that you are the one who is in charge. But what we want to know is, what are you doing being in charge? What we want to know is, what are you doing being in charge? How are you charging us? Are you charging us well? You need to answer that question. Thank you for watching. My name is Esther Christie.